Now, appreciate that. The SATA connection for the hard drives. The hard drives, when we go and talk about plugging in different hard drives to our motherboard, they have these connections that look like this, right? So let's go ahead and show you that. And you can see how it's notched out with these right angles, that it's only a couple of cables that could probably fit that. And the wonderful thing about, if you are getting a job being a technician or have to change out any type of hard drive, you don't have to really worry about getting your cables crossed up. Typically, when you open up a hard drive, open up a desktop, you have cables that are just going to fit in one spot, and that's pretty much it. So they make it kind of foolproof to where you could just interchange things out. Um, but these data cables are going to send data back and forth, as well as the power cable is actually going to spin that disk up. So if I bring that back up here, this hard drive is an actual disk that, once powered on, if you've seen it in older PCs, you kind of, if you touch that PC, maybe if the fan is not running, you might feel the disk actually spinning real fast, right? Um, and when it comes to the destruction of these things, well, I'm sorry, these actually write to the disk when it comes to the changes that we want to make. Um, but it happens as it spins. Now, with solid state drives, and these are solid state drives right here. These are more sleeker, smaller hard drives. They still have the proprietary connectors as we see here, but these are going to allow you to have more of a performance enhancement on your computer versus the old SATA drive here. SATA drive will boot up, but it might take a while for it to get through its paces and actually you can get to working. Um, but these SATA drives, these joints, these I'm sorry, these these hard drives are actually boot up a whole lot faster, especially once we start to add on our memory on top of it. All right, any questions? Back up off that.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this information gonna also be in that, the sheet that you said, that the email that they're gonna send us at the end?
Yes.
It's gonna all be in there?
Yes, that Cert Master we were talking about.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is where I
Okay.
pull my slides from.
Okay. I was just wondering because it's a lot to write down and try to keep up.
I, I told you, it's that's why I'm recording it, and our
Okay.
recordings will go into the classroom. So um, it's this kind of sets the tone of what we're going to be doing day after day after day. So hopefully, I'm sorry
No,
if I'm
you're fine.
getting a lot of eyes glazed over, but yeah, I'm going through my slides. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I was just wondering.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.